Now, I don't know about you, but when I have to create a PowerPoint presentation, I immediately get a sense of dread and doom, and I procrastinate about creating the presentation because I know I've got to come up with all of the written content, then I've got to come up with images that match the content, and then I have to lay it all out so it looks really nice to impress the people who the presentation is for. Well, with this software, you can solve all of that with the help of AI because it'll do it all for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. And if you want to try the software out yourself, then you can try it out for free. There's a link underneath this video. So here we are then in Gamma. That's what it's called, gamma.app. And all we need to do to create a presentation on just about anything that you want is to click Create New with AI here. Now you can create a presentation very quickly and easily using New from Blank, or you can pick various templates as well. However, I'm just going to use AI. And what I love about this platform is it makes it really simple and quick and easy. So let's just say right here, I want to create a new presentation. All I do is click generate. You can also paste in some text that you might have, some ideas that you might have come up with for a presentation already, or you can import a file or a URL and then enhance that using AI. But I'm going to go with this one right here, and I'm going to choose presentation for this particular demo. You can also create web pages too, which is really good because let's be honest, that's probably even more of a headache to create, than it is a presentation. So we'll try that out in a moment, but let's just go to here. First of all, I'm going to select the number of slides. They call them cards here. I'm going to pick 10 cards. You have to upgrade if you want more than that, like 15 plus. And then the default here is you can have like a traditional shaped slide, a slide deck slide, or you can just leave it as default. I'm going to pick English UK. So let's just find that here. You can pick from all of these different languages. There's a lot of them. And I'm going to say that I want it to make me a presentation. Let me have a go. Can you create a presentation that would explain the benefits of AI chatbots to e-commerce store owners? There we go. So that was really short prompt, very to the point, exactly what I want. Now I'm just going to click generate outline, and we'll let the AI come up with what each sort of topic and slide should be about. So here we go. Outline number 1, how AI chatbots can benefit your e-commerce business. Nice introduction. Improved customer experience and satisfaction, and so on. And there we go. It goes right down to number 10, integrating chatbots with your e-commerce platform, and so on. It's done it all for us. Now we get to choose some things like, do we want to make this like a really brief presentation? So when you get almost pointers on the slide, so there'll be a short bit of text, and then you, the speaker or the presenter of the slide deck, can use that to start talking about that subject. Or you can go kind of medium, so there'll be a few paragraphs so they can read it when they're watching, and you can add to it as well. Or you can go full on detailed, which might be better if you're kind of giving this to someone as a PDF to read. And then the images that it puts in, you can choose pure AI images or stock photos, illustrations, even animated GIFs as well. But what I like to do is just to click automatic and then let the AI work it out for itself, what it thinks would be best to achieve the goal. Then there's like advanced mode, which you've seen just here, which gives us a lot more control if we want to do that. But I'm going to keep it really simple and just click continue. And now we get to choose a nice theme. So what have we got here? On the right hand side, you've got like a ton of different themes. You can pick one that will match your brand the best. We've got colorful here. Very, very nice. That's probably the most suitable for this particular presentation, I think. You've got light ones, dark ones, and then sort of more formal ones. So let's just get this one here. I'm going to go with colorful. That one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to pick that one there. And then there's a preview right there so you can see roughly what it's going to be looking like. And there's the button colors and so on. So once you've done that and you're happy, you literally just have to press the magic button and the nightmare of creating a presentation is over. So here we go, click generate and it will get to work. And honestly, it is literally like magic. There it is. Look at it go. It's a beast. Can you imagine how much time this would actually save you? Wow. And it's probably doing a better job text-wise as well. But there we go. In probably 10 to 15 seconds, we have this, and I'm going to present it to you so you can actually see what it looks like. Look at this here. So AI chatbots revolutionizing e-commerce. Discover how AI chatbots can enhance your e-commerce business, increase customer satisfaction, and drive sales growth. All true. And then that's by me. And then we can use our arrow keys on the keyboard just to scroll through like this. So, brilliant. Love the way that it's done all the text. It looks super professional. I mean, we've got here 24/7 availability. It's obviously written that and then used those words to determine what image would go with the words, because it's picked a clock there like that with 24/7 at the top of it now. Increased sales. That's a brilliant picture, is it not? We've got a nice going up chart with an e-commerce trolley on there. Look at this. Reduced operational costs. Brilliant. Really, really nice, professional looking slide deck, and I love it. Now, if you want to, of course, you can go into this and you can adjust anything that you want to at all. So if you find an image which is a bit dodgy, there is one here, like you can see the wording is not completely correct, so access something or other product information. If you're not happy with that, it doesn't matter, because you can always just go and change it. All you need to do is you can just click on it. You can have improve it here. There you go. You can replace the image, and then we can have AI replace that image, or you can just go ahead and get your own image or use some stock photography there as well. So I'm quite happy with that image there now. So there's a lot of flexibility once it has been done, and you don't just have to, suck it up and what's there, that's the end of it. Then on the right hand side here, you've got all the different layouts. Look at all these, like icons with text, vertical timelines. So anything like this that you want to add to these slides, you can do that. And then if you want to just simply add a new slide, you just click the plus symbol and then pick a layout. Let's just say this one here. And then now we can start typing in the text that we want, or again, even using AI to make the content for that slide. So I just love the way that it's sort of making the whole process painless, but also making you look good, because ultimately you're the one who's going to be presenting with this, so you want it to look very professional and very quick. But I think you could probably do a presentation if you're using pure AI and you don't have to sort of amend it. Maybe you're just doing a presentation on a topic. I think you could do this literally in about 10 minutes with a few edits here and there. And then when it comes to presenting, you can do what I just did if you're videoing it. So you can present the slides like this and then use something like loom.com to film you presenting over this. So it looks really nice. You've got you in a circle, a bit like I am now with this. You can use that and just go through the slides and then put this out on YouTube, for example, or put it on a web page for people to view in your company or your business. So very, very easy to present with. Also, you can share it, so we can collaborate with other people on it, or just straight up provide this link and then everybody can watch it with that link. You can export it as well, because I know some people will want to create the beautiful slide deck with Gamma, but then put it into PowerPoint, maybe because that's what their business uses, and maybe they're more happy and familiar with editing in there. But you can export it to PowerPoint and also as a PDF. So I quite often will use PDFs from slide decks like this for lead magnets, because it's a really quick and nice, easy way to create a lead magnet. But you want it in a PDF form, really, so that people can opt in to download it. So very, very useful for that too. And then also with this code here, if you copy the embed code, you can literally put this this whole presentation into a web page and ready to view for people. And then after you've done that, or wherever you started using this this presentation, you can also view analytics as well. And there you go. So you can see how many people have viewed it and track what people are up to and how successful your presentation has been. So you can see what an absolute time saver that is. Now I'm going to do this with you. I have never done it, but just for fun, let's just do this. So we'll click generate here. And this time I'm going to do a web page. And it's got like the number of cards. I'll just pick, say, let's just pick 8 cards. And then we'll stick with the same kind of topic. So can you build me a landing page to get e-commerce owners to understand the benefits of AI chatbots and to sign up to my platform? There we go. Now, if you're wondering how I'm doing that, I'm literally just using the Mac dictation ability, because a lot of people wonder how I'm doing that. I'm going to pick English. Again, I'm going to switch to UK and then generate the outline. So these are the sections of the website that it is making right there. Again, I'm happy with all of those, but I can add more to it if I want to. I'll let it automatically go ahead and choose the different images and then click continue. Now you might have noticed that that used credits. Well, it used just 40 credits to be able to do this. So really not many, and we'll have a look at the pricing in a moment. So I'm going to click generate. I think that's a nice looking theme for a web page. You don't want it too dark and heavy and crazy. And there it is. Look at it, just generating this whole website section by section. And then when you're happy with it, you can just click publish. There we go. So let's publish that site now. Just takes just a second, and now we can go and view it. And there we are. Look at that. We've got ourselves a really nice animated website with all of the different sections, all of the main content done, and very easy for us to go and change. And look at this. It's even recognized that AI chatbots for e-commerce is likely going to end up on a Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce store, because those are the 3 most used platforms for e-commerce. And then there we are. They call to action at the end. Start your free trial or contact us. Brilliant. If you're not a web designer or you don't want to get involved with coding or even learn how to use a whole new platform, then AI can deal with this for you. And I think there's not really any easier way than using this Gamma.app. Now, there's a link underneath this video if you want to try it out for free and get some free credits and have a play around. And if you found this video and this software useful, then please do press that like button underneath and subscribe if you want to hear about more new exciting software and AI. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.